So hello friends, this is Boniface. The most commonly used greeting in Kikuyu is atĩa. Atĩa just means how are you? Alright, so atĩa is how are you. One of the few things I would like you to note about this greeting is it's a question. It's directed to one person of either gender, and it can be said in both formal and informal situations alike, and also it can be said at any time of day. So be it the time of morning, afternoon, any time of the day is appropriate when you're using this greeting. It's a common greeting, and atĩa is said at any time, and you say it like a question. Atĩa, atĩa. Good. Now, the Kikuyu greetings that we have, if you know that person's name, the person that you're greeting, if you know the person that you're greeting by name, you just add that name at the end of the greeting. For example, if the person you're greeting is known as Maina, you're going to say atĩa Maina. Atĩa Maina. How are you, Maina? Good. So can you repeat that? Very good. Now let's continue to other common greetings in Kikuyu. The other one is Ũhana atĩa. Ũhana atĩa. Ũhana atĩa. How are you? When you're greeting one person. If there are two or many, you'll tell them mũhana atĩa. If you can compare the two, the O is indicating one person. This is the pronoun you. You, the pronoun you. Now the pronoun you for plural is mo. Ũhana atĩa is the first greeting here. O in singular, mo in plural. The rest of the greeting is the same. Ũhana atĩa. Mũhana atĩa. Alright, so it's one person, and again you can also greet two or people in a group. Another common greeting is Kũhana atĩa. Kũhana atĩa. Ko just means other things. For example, the environment in which you're living in, or things at home, or where you work. How are things in general? How is everything in general? Kũhana atĩa. Remember, Ũhana atĩa, the one that we had talked about earlier, addresses the person talking about their health. Ũhana atĩa. How is your health? Or how are you as a person? But Kũhana atĩa now addresses the environment in which that person is or is living, or generally their health and their environment. How is everything around them? Kũhana atĩa. Good. The responses that we give are as follows. Atĩa is responded with kwega, 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 kwega. Ũhana atĩa is responded by mwega, mwega. O, we say it is a pronoun for you, second person. You, how are you? I am good, or I am okay. De means I am. Mwega means good. Now those are the responses that you give for those two greetings. Another response you can give is after you say mwega, you can even proceed and ask that person, what about them? It's very natural for somebody to do that, isn't it? Ewe ũhana atĩa. Ewe ũhana atĩa. Ewe ũhana atĩa. This is just to ask you, how are you? Ewe ũhana atĩa. And that person will respond mwega, or they can even say niĩ mwega, though I've not included that, but they can say niĩ mwega or just mwega. Alright, I think we can try a conversation. Let's say somebody called Mwangi greets somebody else they meet who is called Maina. And because they know each other, then they will use also their names. I'm going to try and change my voice for both characters so that we see where the difference comes in. So for Mwangi, he'll begin the conversation and say, Nĩ atĩa Maina? Nĩ kwega Mwangi, ewe ũhana atĩa? Ona niĩ ndĩ mwega. That is how you say it. So try repeating that. And let's just quickly look at the vocabularies that we have used. We've said ega. Ega indicates good. In Kikuyu, if you say kega, if you put a K here, kega, to say something that is small but good. If you put kega, that will mean something big, which is good. If you say mwega, it means a person that is good. If you just leave it as ega without the hyphen, ega, to mean people who are good, people who are good. Atĩa, atĩa, atĩa is just how. Atĩa. Niĩ, niĩ is I, first person singular, I. Where is you, you, you. So thank you so much. That's all we had for today. And if you would like to learn how to read any Kikuyu text you come across, to read any textbook that is in Kikuyu, any Bible, anything, any resource that is in Kikuyu, you can follow the first link in the description below. And I have a very nice course that I have prepared for you, and you'll find the link to the course in the description. All the same, please remember to subscribe, give a like, and leave a comment, because whenever I see you subscribing, giving likes, and also leaving comments, I'm able to know that I'm giving you value. And also comment on things that you would like me to cover in my videos so that we can learn together. So thank you. Ne thengiũ mũno. That's how we say it in Kikuyu. Ne thengiũ mũno. Thank you so much. Bye.